Did all the body work, I got primer, off the sandbags, had someone paint it. I haven't done the cutback on the polish yet, but it'll be 3,000 cutback and then a polish.
So did you paint it yourself or did you put it in somewhere?
No, I had a shop do that.
Yeah, nice.
I just wasn't quite game, but I did all everything else. I did all the primer, the high build, painted the engine, painted the firewall, sandblasted in that hole.
Yeah, right.
Had a timber frame all the way out to the front air and concrete as plastic. Taped all this up, painted the high build, and yeah.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
That
I think
looks
I do now.
so
That sand
nice.
is polished. So as you can see, this is kind of how it'll flatten out and be glassy.
So you're just getting all the interiors setting up to put the interior in now, are you?
Yeah, pretty much. It's got a few things I need to still do, but a couple of things I want to replace, like the diesel is all faded to the back. I'll get that redone. Probably buy one from the guys in the States. New steering wheel, door trims are coming from Legendary in the States. All the soft trims were done by Legendary.
I mean, there would be a lot of stuff available for this in the US, right?
Oh, man. You can buy every single
Part.
Well, yes, it's the fine things like T-top clips up underneath here which hold the T-top frame.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Managed to source them from muscle car place down in Melbourne.
Yeah, right.
Ireland, I think it is. But yeah, it's got
And-
layers of colour. Wet sand at 1500, stickers applied, 4 more coats of clear, rub it back, polish it. As you can see, it'll level out quite flat. It'll be almost no orange peel in most places. But
And who did your interior for you?
oh, I put it all. Well, I had a guy over on the north side. What's his name? Evan Park Interiors does a lot of upholstery stuff for
Sure.
houses and stuff, but he just fitted them. Like I didn't want to tackle it myself. I just, don't know what to do. But it's close.
So is that a new dash fascia, is it?
No, that's the old one.
Is it?
But it's just all faded and crap.
Yeah, right, okay.
So, pretty much.
So is that you don't want to put it in until you get a new one, or you're going to reuse it?
No,
or?
I'm going to put it in. I'm going to play with it with some gold candy and see whether I can't reproduce close
Yeah, right.
for now.
Right.
But I'll get another one from the States. But, when that one part in the steering wheel is $900 US.
Wow. Okay, that's a big outlay, isn't it?
Wow.
Well, I mean, not in the scheme of things, but I mean,
15 grams worth of engine, 3 grams worth of gearbox. You probably got 20 grams worth of paint and panel.
so the engine's all been rebuilt. And-
Funnily enough, it was a factory engine, never been touched. So I now got a 30 over, but I've put comp cams kit through it, $800 worth of ARP race bolts, hold it together nice. Building for some play later on, we'll see.
Yeah, well, look, it's so close, man. It's getting so close.
Just a little bit. I just got to, Yeah, anyway. Well, I'm getting there. I mean, I'll get the dash redone by the guys in Melbourne later on next year. We'll see what happens.
Thanks to a couple more COVID lockdowns than you'll ever done, right?
Wow. Well, I've had a few other issues in life, but I'm recently retired in the last couple of years.
Yeah, nice.
It's been fun. Well, it's been fun and a heartache all the same time.
Well, look, it's one hell of a car, man. I mean, this thing is gonna be so magic, right?
It'll look sweet on the road. Once
Yeah.
I pull it, it's still got heaps of junk in the paint, but I on purpose told them not to denib it or anything. I wanted to do that myself. I sort of dabble in car detailing, so.
Oh, do you?
Yeah.
So what sort of condition was this in when you bought it?
It was it was bought with the mindset that we'll just maybe a quick paint job and we'll get it on the road.
So it was already a street runner, and was it in Australia?
No, this is imported from the States in 2012 when the dollar was good. I bought it with the floor pans replaced by the guys in the States. They did a terrible job. They loved their Bondo. I was playing around, pulling the carpet out and cleaning it up, and nicked some Bondo with a grinder and went, that don't look
You don't
right."
want to see that in the floor, right?
That didn't look right, so next thing you know, it's turned into, it was supposed to be just, like I said, a quick paint job, get it on the road, it'd be just a driver, you know.
And so the rims were on it?
Yeah, the rims were on it.
Wow, they're in great nick, aren't they?
Well, I had them painted gold again.
Yeah.
Technically speaking, for the age of this car, they should, if you look at the build sheets for the year and the factory memos that came out, these are actually supposed to say solid gold, even though it's a special edition car.
Right, okay.
Western Wheels or whoever they were couldn't supply the snowflake wheels polished like that because they were selling so many of them.
Right.
So they said to the factory, from this date, I think it was like March or something when this was built.
Right. So
From
they're just going to
March
be
on.
fully gold.
They were supposed to be fully gold, and I
Right.
went, they looked alright, but
Oh, they look great like that, right?
I did all that.
Yeah.
You know, you probably got 20 hours worth of polishing there. And they're
Yeah,
not polished. I'm thinking about re-clearing them anyway, just to protect it.
I like the sort of, the mattes kind of billet finish looks good on it.
Well,
right?
they were a machine finish from factory. They were
Right.
technically not sanded. They were just
Yep.
machine finished, so they were a lot shinier. But the satin does look not too bad, really. But
Yeah, I think it looks great. Anyway.
it's one of those finer details. You know, the purist is going to go, ooh, and I'm going to go, meh.
So you've put all new. I can see that you've put all new rubbers in bits and
Yeah, all new seals.
bits and places, all new
All
weather
new rubber
seals and
everywhere.
yeah,
Hood,
okay.
Trunk, doors, T-tops. The T-tops from factory suck from Metro.
Yeah,
They're
right.
long. They're about 10 mil too long.
Oh, okay,
So-
okay,
Hopefully they'll come to the party and give me a new set 10 mil shorter.
right.
I've sort of bought parts from America and Australia. A guy in Sydney, he's been pretty good. But
So does he like carry stock or something like
Yeah,
that?
yeah,
Does he? And
carries
yeah.
all these. Like does it's called USGM. US. Well, Pony World is the
Oh, okay.
generic
Yeah, yeah.
most people know him.
Yeah. Oh, look,
Dave's pretty good.
the paint just looks magic, man. It's gonna look so fantastic on the road.
It'll look better once it's polished. Like it's got so much junk in it at the moment. You know.
So
You know,
it's,
just try to keep it factory looking until the average person will get under there and go, hang on a minute, what are you up to?
oh, well, look, you know, I mean, it's an old car, right? So what are these? What year do these come out?
Oh wow. This fascia came out in 78.
78.
Oh,
Yeah.
77, 78.
Yeah.
That was the fascia coming out. 76 had the dual front ram headlights, different bumper.
Yeah, but this is the one that
This is the movie
that
car.
everyone likes, right?
This is the movie car, right?
Exactly.
You know, as a 6-year-old kid, Saturday morning TV, I watched this movie for the first time and go, I must have.
Yeah.
30
Well,
odd
you
years later.
know the truck's getting around Brisbane, right?
Oh, I haven't seen it, but I've heard that someone's done one.
Yeah.
That's
No.
cool car. I like it. Yeah, it's time.
Well, look, I really appreciate you giving me your time there. It's going to be a fantastic car. Maybe we can have a chat and when it's all finished and on the road and
Yeah, you'll see it around.
see how it goes. So,
You'll
like
see
I
it
said,
around.
I don't think it's too far away. So,
It runs, drives, like it sounds good. I can start if you want. I mean,
oh yeah, if it's ready to start. So,
she's not got the best tune at the moment, but that's to be done later.
it's got a pretty nice note on it, hasn't it?
Yeah, well, I've put the biggest tank I can technically put in it, pre having to do work to the gearbox. So hopefully once it's on the road it'll, as you can see, it's pretty lumpy, but
Yeah, nice.
oh, it'll be off. It'll get up and move.
Well,
Sure.
thanks very much, man. And yeah, I look forward to seeing it finish. It's going to be great.